Just want to throw out a video on an issue with a loose timing chain. I'm gonna give you guys a listen as far as what you hear when the timing chain is loose. And a lot of times it's loose because either the guide is broken off or the tensioner is broken. One of those two things. And if you guys have this particular problem, this is what your engine will sound like. Obviously, if you guys have this issue, that chain has to be reset. A new tensioner, a new guide has to be put in. You'd have to redo the timing chain, which probably could get expensive if you bring it to the dealership. To be honest, it's pretty expensive if you bring it to a regular shop. It's a crappy situation. These chains are not supposed to break, but every once in a while they do. Particularly the tensioner. A lot of times when there is an issue with the timing chain, the tensioner is the culprit, but in some cases it's also the guide that has issues. But take a listen to it. This is what it sounds like. If you guys have any comments on your particular experience, drop a comment in the comment section. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And here's the video of what that sounds like.